Hello guys, my name is Nadeem Ahmed and I'm going to tell you about the Cash Deposit 70 which is produced by the Atlas Honda in Pakistan. Honda Motor Company Limited is perhaps best known as an automaker. It is the world's top motorcycle manufacturers. The Honda Motor Company was founded in 1984 by Soichiro Honda. Atlas Honda, formerly known as the Atlas Autos in Pakistan motorcycle manufacturers owned by the Atlas Honda Motors Company. It is the largest motorcycle company and the market leader in the Pakistan. Production moved to Atlas Honda of Pakistan in 1991. The company also manufactures various high-tech components in-house in collaboration with the leading parts manufacturers like Nippon Denso. Okay guys, now we're moving towards its complete assembling process. Please follow me for its complete assembling. Now the assembling process has been done, and after the completing assembling they have the next maximum storage and the later transportation of the motorbikes to the different dealers of the Honda Motors has been done completed. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe the button to become the part of my YouTube family.